Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
Extract money with sugar. I did not believe it either. Get fast money and get rid of debts using sugar as a basis. To get money fast, one of the most effective and simple things that exist is sugar. It's cheap. We all have it at home and its power is great, whether to get fast money or material things like love spells, improve relationships, get jobs, health rituals and endless positive things. Because sugar is only used in positive rituals, you hardly see sugar for negative or dark things. For the money, a lot of things are used like laurel, mint, basil, cinnamon, honey, pepper and even salt. Salt is another great ingredient of magic, and dual, since it can be used for good or ill, but sugar when it comes to getting fast money has no equal. Many people believe that we have to do tremendous rituals, complex, full of elements and ingredients to have results. That is totally false. Great rituals work, but something as simple as a little sugar too. Rituals to get money fast with sugar. 1. The simplest way to do this is to place charcoal or coals in a heat-resistant vessel, go through all the rooms of the house, and in each one of them throw a spoonful of sugar on the burning coal, letting the smoke invade the environment. Each time you place the sugar you place the order you want. 2. One method to get money fast with sugar is to place in the open all night, on any moonless and waning, a bowl with sugar with a few coins inside. The next day you remove the coins and leave them on the floor of your house, anywhere, in all environments, in the corners if you do not want to step on them or disturb the passage. The sugar you leave in your bowl in the kitchen. Before 15 days the money must arrive. When you do, remove the coins and discard the sugar. Repeat the procedure whenever you need to get money fast. I ask 3 favors. 1. Subscribe. 2. Share it with your friends and family. 3. Give a like.